Okay, guys, I got it. Smash burger. Once again, probably after 1 month. Okay, I'll show you how the burger looks like. Here's the burger. It looks massive, just like my cock. Okay, I'll have my first bite. Here's some bacons. You can see the bacons or chicken, the mushroom falling apart. No worries. My first bite. Let's see how it tastes like. You see, this is actually very delicious, tasty. You should try it. The meat is super tender, well seasoned. It's a chicken steak burger for Smash Burger Gulshan 1. Wow, I'll do a mess, but no worries. After I eat this burger, I'll feel like a millionaire because you know I'm gonna jack off to porn. Yeah, you need it. Sometimes your girlfriend isn't enough, you need that boost. Oh, I'm a mess, you see. Oh, I dropped it. Oh man, no worries, I'll still eat it. You see, the meat is very large, larger than the bun. It is part of the chicken steak patty which fell off. Let's see what I got else. I got some soya chicken fries, chicken wings, I should say, or fries. I don't know. It's 2 pieces. It looks tasty. This is actually my dinner. I'm not sleeping for last 48 hours. I don't know why, but I tell you, I'm not on drugs. This is better than PFC. I'll give the burger 8.7 out of 10, and this chicken wings or fried chicken, whatever you call it, or soya chicken, 9.5. I tell you, this is the best chicken I ever had. need some barbecue sauce, you know. They actually didn't give any sauce to dip this in. No, I wish I had a cat. Cat like Tom and Jerry, you know. I'll name the cat Tom. And you see, I don't have any mouse in my house. So I'll name the rabbit or bird, yeah, bird. I'll name the bird Jerry. Jerry bird, not Jerry mouse. Okay, this is the last wings. Then I'm done. I'm going to bed early. You see my eyes? Something's wrong with me. I haven't slept for last 48 hours. This is unusual. No, I'm not on drugs, but I'm on cocaine. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. See you. Bye bye.